This is Streamer TV, and I'm going to talk about an application that has a very good call traffic. Like, you go tired to the big call. This app is very good, and this is it right on my screen. Tigo app. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to earn in this app. Like within 1 week you don't cash out. So stick around and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like it, share and subscribe. So now I'm going to address something. There are some people that is in my comment section, like someone commented and was saying I don't post real updates, that I post fake things that does not exist. I keep asking, are you sure this person watched this video? How can I post something that is not existing? What about people out there? There are a lot of channels out there that are posting fake things that doesn't even work in Nigeria where they are. They will post it and you all watch it. People are watching it everywhere. Like, they are getting millions of views. They are watching it properly, repeating it. But the things that they are posting does not exist. And here I am posting real legit updates where we say you only need data and your very good smartphone, Android phone or iPhone, where we say you go sit down for house, you'll be earning massively here in this Nigeria. This is our economy. And somebody is telling me that I am posting fake videos. I've asked her if she actually watched this video, watch it to the end and know what I'm talking about, because you cannot watch the video half, like 2 minutes, and you just conclude that there's nothing in the video. You guys don't watch my video to the end. Watch it to the end. At the end of the video, make sure you finish them so that you will know what the video is all about. And now that I'm doing this one now, as I'm talking now, so people will just stop here and leave it. Just do 1 minute, 2 minutes and leave it. You will not know what I'm posting. Like, you don't know what I'm sending to you. People are cashing out big in these applications. Like, they are cashing out big. In my group, girls are cashing out big, including the one that declining to send money in their bank account direct, including the one that they are earning right in the app. So I'm telling you this now for you to get me that I am posting legit of that. I know they post fake. How will I be posting something that does not? I will just go and waste my data and download an application and be posting it for nothing. My own data. All my apps in my phone, that I have, they're all functioning. Like, I'm catching out from them all, and that is why I'm sharing it to you. And I'm sending it for free. There are some people that you come to their group, they will not give you that link until you pay. Yes, until you pay for it before they will give you link. And there are some agencies that even if you start working, at the end of the day, instead of them to pay you your money, they'll eat your money. But here I'm posting these links for free. I'm not requesting for money. The only thing is for you to watch the video and follow the instructions. I don't just post. I give you instructions on how to work on it. And at times I'll post the link in the description box. Some people will go to the comment section and be asking me for link again. Meanwhile, it's right in the description box. You people should be checking things properly. Go to the comment section, go to the description box, check the video properly, watch the video to the end. That is how you will understand what somebody is posting. You understand somebody's content. If you don't watch the person's content till the end, how will you get what they are posting? How will you know the value of what they are posting? So guys, please watch this video to the end. Watch it to the end and follow the instructions accordingly. If you check my other videos and watch it at the end, you will see that I'm making sense. Like, what I'm telling you is the truth. Because some people will watch only 2 minutes and they will tell you, they downloaded and they are not earning anything. Meanwhile, you did not finish the video. Then how will you learn? How will you know how to work in the application? So this particular one is Tigo app. Follow this video till the end. I want to show you how you're going to be making money here. This app is nationwide. It's everywhere, both Nigeria. And you can be meeting, if you're a lady, it works perfect for you. This app is for ladies. If you want to make money here, it's for ladies. So you have to, number one thing, you register with your Gmail. If you want to be getting international calls, use VPN before you download the app. But if you want to be getting local calls right from your country, if you're in Nigeria, download it like that. Calls will be coming in. So now, I want to show you how. This is my earnings so far. See my point over here, 1,500 within 4 days. Like I've worked in this app for 4 days only, I've gotten 1,500. So now I'm going to show you this 1,500, how much it is in dollars. So stick around and watch to the end. First of all, this is the dashboard, the home screen of the app. This place is for matching. Once you register, this is what you will see. Another place you see is here, where you will see people's profiles. See people's profiles. If you are a lady and you register this app and you're seeing females like this instead of male like this one, you are having a male account. If you are a female, make sure that when you register, you are seeing only males in your home page. And now these people, you can send them messages, very good messages, like interactive messages. If you don't send them message, there is no way they can message you. I mean, you can get more calls. Just like that is when you message them, you let them that you are existing in this app. They can choose to call you after checking your profile. That is why it's important for you to upload sexy pictures, beautiful pictures. Don't upload like Christian mothers pictures, because nobody will look at you. They won't call you. You need to look sexy, you need to look pretty, beautiful pictures. That is what you put in your profile. Then to send them messages every day, the apps give 20 free messages for each user. So in a day, you can send up to like 20 messages. I don't know if I still have free messages to send. Okay, I still have. Then you are just going to tell them hi. There are some things I shouldn't post, some text I shouldn't post here that is private. So say hi, how are you doing today? Let's chat. You just send it to them. If you have a picture, include pictures. At this rectangle box over here, you click on it to show you pictures. Now we go back, then you click on this circle next to this homepage button. This place is for matching. We are going to click on it. It will be loading. Make sure you are always matching. If you don't click on matching, there is no way you earn quick. It's through this matching that you earn within a week, within 2 days. So people, 2 days, they have reached 2,000 points. And that 2,000 points is $20. See, somebody just picked this call now. This is how you do it. Someone just picked this call. If you don't put it here, you won't earn. Now let's cancel it because we're making a video. I cannot continue matching. Then you come to your messages box. When you come to your message box, any message that you see, reply it. They will send you message, and you also earn by replying to messages. This one just cut call, so I don't need to send a message. If you decide to send the person message, you can tell the person that he should call you back if you want. Can you please call me back? Each message is 0.2 points. That is what you will get because I've replied to all my messages. And make sure you don't follow.